Alright guys, so this is my 1 year review on the Stelvio, Alfa Romeo Stelvio. Alright, so I've had it for 1 year already, and I've done a little mods to it, done a couple things. One of them, being wrapped. This color, yeah, there are Alphas that come in this color, but yeah, this is a wrap, flat bluish. So what I want to show you is that, yeah, there's some mods that I've done to it, like the cold air intake. That's one of them. I've done the blow off valve. It's a little bit, it's atmospheric release, so it's a little bit louder. I've done, hold on, let's see if you can see it from here. I've done the, right there, that's gonna be the high flow cat from Magnaflow. And I also installed, right now it has straight pipes. Well, straight pipes all the way back from Magnaflow itself. Okay. So I just noticed that this started happening. It won't close because it stayed. Just push it back and it'll close now. And that started happening this year. That was recent. This is the second time that it doesn't close. Now it closed. Do you see? All right. So, anyways, those are some of the mods that I've done to them, and this being one of them. The Euro Drive. I got this from Euro Compulsion. And then I've also got the boost gauge. The boost gauge I like it a lot. It lets me know when I'm boost creeping. Since I did tune the car, it does do about 31 pounds. So that's what it's currently at. The review, honestly speaking, I mean, after a whole year, I've thrown some money in this car. I didn't tell you, but I did the brakes. I first did EBC yellows with slotted and drilled. If I could do it again, I would just get them slotted. I would just get them drilled, not slotted, because the EBC yellows lasted me about what 7 months maybe. And this is the front. Now I'm on Terox. I'm on Terox pads. Honestly speaking, I like the grip on the EBCs better. I like the grip on the EBC yellows better. But the Terox, it does give a shit ton of brake dust less. So the EBC yellows do grip a little bit better, maybe like a 8% better. But the Terox give a whole lot less of brake dust. This is another thing that I did. I went with the red instead of the black. This normally comes in black. I put the red on there. I've done little things here and there. I've done right here this helps control the sensitivity of the gas pedal, and it makes a big difference. I like it a lot. Turbo lag is none, pretty much. Very little turbo lag. And like I said, you'll find this on Euro Compulsion. I forgot what it's called, and I'm not gonna lie to you here on video. So Euro Compulsion, check it out. Another thing that this does is work as an immobilizer. Here in my area, they've stolen a Alfa Romeo Giulia. They've stolen one of those, and then they stole some other car. So I definitely got one of those as a safety mechanism. That's one of the reasons why I got it, besides the fact that it decreases turbo lag. Well, anyways, I'm gonna go for a drive and have you guys come with me, so that way, I'm walking you through the actual upgrades that I've done throughout this past year. Honestly speaking, I'm gonna also be talking to you about the things that I like and the things that I dislike. So let's get to it. All right, so before we go, what I want to do is have you hear the exhaust, see what the straight pipes sound like. I've already gotten a couple complaints that the shit's too loud. It's not cold, it's kind of cold. Need some washer fluid. It's pretty. It flows a lot more. Also added the splitter there, but yeah, it's loud. So let's go for a drive. All right, so this is another. It's not an upgrade, but something I did. I got this little tray on eBay. So you see the tray here. Sorry, I'm trying to do this one hand. So whatever, you got the tray. Then under the tray you have, the regular stuff. Normally this is how it comes from factory. You got this big ass dwelling there, and I wanted to take advantage of the space, so added a little tray. I think it cost like $30 on eBay. Oh yeah, mask up. Anyways, those are some of the upgrades that I've done. I really like this car, for the performance, like I've said. All right, let's go for a drive. All right, so you heard the exhaust. I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear me while I'm driving, but anyways, you heard the exhaust. I think that it's loud AF. So I just actually ordered the MagnaFlow actual muffler. It's a high flow muffler, so it won't do any damage to the performance, but it will silence the car a little bit because the straight pipes are killing me. I think that it's too loud. I'm not a loud type of guy. I mean, I did tune it where you can. I'm gonna when I drive through, when I get out of the community, I'm gonna step on it and you'll hear that. Yeah, it backfires. Yeah, it does a lot of cool things, but I don't know. Being that damn loud is a price to pay, and I don't want to pay that price. So, anyways, that's one of the modifications. I'm pretty sure that I'm definitely forgetting a couple things to tell you. But anyways, after having this car for 1 year, there's some things that I like and some things that I dislike. For example, one of the things that I dislike when I first got it is that I have a lot of contacts. I have about 3,000 contacts. And then the car started telling me, oh, you have exceeded the amount of contacts you can import. I didn't like that. I didn't like that at all. It doesn't do it anymore. I don't know if it's because it already knows that I have so many damn contacts, it doesn't even import them anymore. Oh shit, one of my tires is flat. But anyways, it's not flat, but it's low on pressure. Either way, I'll get that fixed today. That's one of the things that I didn't like. Another thing that I didn't like, I have my seatbelt on right now, but when you don't have your seatbelt on, normally cars will tell you either they never stop beeping or they do stop after a certain amount of time, or after you've been in the car for 5 minutes, or if you've driven around for 5 minutes. But I can never know when the hell this is gonna beep or it's not gonna beep. I don't know if it's my car, I don't know if I got a lemon, I don't know what it is, but sometimes it'll beep for a minute and sometimes it'll never damn stop. So you always gotta wear your freaking seatbelt. I mean, it's not a bad thing, but it's annoying in my opinion. If I'm gonna go put some gas and come back home, I feel that I don't need to put my seatbelt on, but the damn car will, sometimes it'll beep its life away and never stop beeping, and sometimes it'll beep for a minute and stop. Sometimes it'll be 5 minutes. I don't know what the hell it is. If somebody knows, please comment and please tell me, because I don't know what the hell is going on with this. You guys know that I do insurance. If you guys need insurance for something, your car, your house, your life insurance is number one thing. Anyways, contact us, message us, leave a comment below. Whatever it is, make sure to get it done. back to the topic. So the Terox pads, the brake pads, they work fine. They work well. They are an upgrade. They do give a whole lot less of brake dust than the EBC yellows. The EBC yellows, they stop fantastic. I love the way they grip, and they're so, you know, they're tough. They're harder pads than I would say the Terox. And under pressure, under once that disc is really hot, they kept on gripping just fine. The Terox, I do feel that they lose a little bit of grip. Right now in this straightaway, I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, demonstrate some of the. I'm gonna put it on red, the dynamic, and I'm not gonna flush it. That came with the tuning that I did to the car. Anyways, that came with a little bit of tuning that I did with the car. I added some pops and bangs. You can do that when you go Euro drive. I mean, I felt that for $1,000, it gives you about a good 15 to 20% to the wheels. 15, I would say. A lot of people say that the street pipes will give you a lot more, give you about 20 horsepower. I don't know about all that, to be honest with you. Maybe 10. Maybe 10. If you get lucky, I don't know. Maybe. No, 10. Leave it at 10. Fuck that. Anyways, I like the car because of its performance. But the gadgets, the infotainment, dude, I like having the compass on here. I put the compass all the damn time. I put it every single time. But every time I turn off the fucking car, there's no more compass. So I don't like that. There's a lot of things that, you know, if I could do it over again, if I could buy the car, or if I could get another car, I probably would. But I mean, I already bought this car, so I don't want to throw money down the drain. So I'm sticking with it. I like it. I do like it. I like it because of its performance. It's a 4-cylinder turbocharged. It came with 280 at the crank, because to the wheels it'll probably be about, I don't know, 240, yeah, around there. And it's, you know, an SUV or a crossover, if you want to say. But I like it. I like it because of its performance. Simply put, there's little things that I can deal without. I'm not a lady. I'm not, you know, I'm not bougie. But overall, I would say that I like the car. I really do. Its performance, I'm gonna do a pull right here. Its performance it has good performance, and because I got the Q4, so it's 4-wheel drive, and at times I get on the fucking sidewalk. Although I did drop this car, I did drop it 1.5 inches. That's one of the modifications that I did. You probably won't notice, but if you see at the beginning of the video of the walk around, you'll see that it's a little bit lower. There's not as much wheel gap as you see in any other Stelvio. So that is one of the modifications I did. It does handle a lot better. There's less oversteer. There's a little bit, but not very noticeable, because before I would take corners and oh my god, I would have to really cut in. But either way, when I did the upgrade for the springs, because all I did was springs, I got them again from, these are H&Rs. I got some H&Rs from, again, Euro Compulsion. Check I've done little things here and there that I like a lot. I pretty much molded the car to myself. I'm mainly performance oriented, so that's why I don't give too much about, oh my god, the car doesn't have this, the car's infotainment is trash, the infotainment, I'm gonna be honest with you, it's not good. It's not good. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. But that's not what I base my opinion off of. But if you do, just want to let you know. Either way, I like the car. Hope you like it. I've done a couple little mods. Oh, I'm gonna show you what the boost gauge does when you boost creep. So it tells you, hey, cut off the gas. You're boost creeping. That beep, that's what it was. But when you have your foot down all the way, that doesn't happen. You just want to take care of your car and want to make sure it lasts a long time. That's why you want to take all these precautions. Because they did tune the map a certain way, and if you're not, operating that way, or the car's not operating in that way, you want to make sure that doesn't happen. You want to make sure your car lasts a long time. Anyways, those are some of the upgrades that I've done. I hope you liked them. If you didn't, leave the comments below, see what you would have changed, what you would have done different. I wrapped mines. It normally, if you look in the beginning of the video, you'll see that inside the door panels, it's gray. That's what it's before, like a carbon gray. I'm about to catch a curve right now. Hopefully I can show you the handling. See? Anyways, I'm about to foot it right now, and you'll see that it won't beep because it's under wide open throttle. I like the big paddles, I really do. They help. They do help. Sometimes you're turning, you need a downshift. Downshifting helps with the deceleration. So, I'm a family guy. I have 4 kids. That's why I have life insurance. And if you don't have, and gas is always racing, you better get your ass some life insurance, especially if you have kids. Anyways, enough about that. I love the paddles. I love the paddles. A lot of people talk trash about them, but they're in Ferraris for a reason, and I like them here. I like them here a lot. Well, that's pretty much my walkthrough. I'm pretty sure I forgot to tell you a couple things. I'll probably leave them in the description to see